Good evening, everyone. We are Group 8, and the topic for today's DSS is Movie Recommendation System. My groupmates are Pallavi and Gehendra. So today's agenda is to explain you the objective of our recommendation system, the description of our data used in our dataset, and the charts and diagrams we have used with the help of pivot table tool in Excel. And at the end, we are also going to show you the live demonstration of our decision support system. So these are the few objectives of our DSS, and the main objective of our DSS is we have tried to make our recommendation system as user friendly as possible. It will help our users to provide recommendation based on the user's preference. The system will help users to find movies based on the different parameters like IMDb rating, directors, and actors. So the next slide will be explained by my friend Gehendra.
Good evening, everyone. So in this slide, we'll be discussing about the data dictionary that we have used in our project. So some of the variables that we have used are the actor name, director name, movie name, language, country name, title year, genre, IMDb rating, and the content. So actor name indicates the name of the actor, director name indicates the name of the director, and so on. So in this slide, we have put up the bar diagram by using the pivot table. So in this bar diagram, the PG-13 has the highest number of movies, which means that the movies are mostly into this category. PG-13 means the parental guidance under the age of 13. So the second one is the R, which means that it is restricted under the age of 17. So the under the age of 17 requires the parent or the adult guardian to watch up that movies. And the third one is the parental guidance. So after putting IMDb rating as a filter, we got our top 20 movies. We can see that the Shawshank Redemption has the 9.3 rating, and the other 5 movies fall under our same rating of 8.6, including Interstellar. So now Pallavi will explain the next set of slides. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gehendra. And now we are going to see the Excel sheet. So this is our Excel sheet. Here we have the actor name, we have the director's name, we have the movie name, we have the language, the country of origin, the content, the title year, the IMDb score, and the genre. Now we are going to introduce the pivot table, with the help of which we are going to bring out all our recommendations. So here is our pivot table. So in order to bring out recommendations, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the list of movie names under rows. And just for your information, we have 2000 movie names in this data sheet. We are going to put the IMDb score under the values. And we are going to put the rest of the parameters as filters. So I'm going to put actor's name as our first filter, and the country of origin as our second, the content rating as well under filter, the genre as well under filter. Okay, so let's start with our actor name. So let's say I want to watch a movie of Brad Pitt. So I'm going to type here, and these are the movies of Brad Pitt. I do not have any preference of country. I do not have any preference for content rating. Neither do I have any preference for genre. So this is as simple as that. We can see artificial intelligence as IMDb score of 7.1. I personally want to watch any movies which is more than 8.5. So probably I'll go with Daredevil, or probably I'll go with The Hobbit. Now let's remove Brad Pitt as our filter, and let's go with all actors. And for now I will put I want to watch a movie which is action based or adventure based. So these are the movies which are action based or adventure based movies. Now let's put now I also want to find out who has directed these movies. So for that, I'm going to put director's name under the row, and this is what I come up with. And I'm going to change the layout of the page so that it is easy for everybody to understand. So now I can see Batman Begins has been directed by Christopher Nolan, which has a good rating of 8.3. So here it is how we have done a recommendation system. Also, I want to see which of these movies I want to see which movie has what rating. So let's say I'm watching a movie with a kid, and I want to see a movie which has a parental guidance 13. And here we can see these are the movies which the kids definitely should have their parents with. And now let's say let me put language as one of our filter, and let's remove everything else from our filter. So I'm gonna do all here. I'm gonna remove action as a filter. Probably I'm gonna watch a movie. Let's say I'm gonna watch a Canadian movie. So here I go, I choose Canada, and these are the movies. So I can see For Your Eyes Only, which is a good movie. Then we have Rio 2. So these are the movies which is Canadian based. And let's see what else we can do with this. And also let me see if I can. Oh, we already have the director's name here. So these are the director name with the sum of our IMDb scores. And let's say I want to see which year this movie has been released. So I can put this as row. So I can see 13 going on 30 has been released in 1987. Now I want to put title year as filter. I want to see a movie which has been released in the year 2016. So let's go all the way down, put 2016 as filter, and we don't have any movies in our data set which is released in Canada and released in 2016. So we'll go to all and we'll change that. So we see these are the list of movies and which has been released in 2016. If in any case we want to see which country it is based, so we'll just put the country under row, and we can see the list of movies. So these are the movies released in US. This is a UK based movie. This is a Japanese movie. This is a movie based in New Zealand. So this is how we are going to use our movie recommendation system. This is the end of our demo, and thank you so much for watching.